Hello everybody, come on in. Right, I'm connecting up my friend's battery pack for his bike, and I've got all the pairs numbered. Those two are 1, those two are 2, those two are 3, and this one has an arrow because it's connected to the middle one, and that's number 4. I always start with number 1. Right, oh, there it is. Now I've found, because I'm using small links, a bit of blue tack or white tack or whatever else you want to use. Holds one end down while I think it's timed out. Yep, because I took too long. I should be doing a video of the spot welder, which I got from Temu, and first impressions is just flipping brilliant. Didn't cost me very much at all, but again, I'm not saying how much I paid for it, for the simple reason that Temu prices change hourly, because when you put it in your basket, then you start receiving information about discounts that you've been offered by the seller and by Temu themselves. Right, that's my phone. Somebody dares to contact me while I am taking court. Oh dear. Raymond, you're as daft as you sound. Now, these are number 2. I keep the leads parted for safety, not for anything other, no sparks or anything. It probably would spark, but I'm not going to try and find out. I put in four contacts. What am I looking for? Probes, you prat. Jesus Christ. I apologise if I offended anybody religious. But as I've always said, if we weren't supposed to have a sense of humour, then we wouldn't have been given it. Right, number 3. Before I put them on, I run my finger over the end, and where it's been cut it curls up. So I just flatten it out with the pliers. Whoops. My friend sent me another bike to do for him, and there's definitely a battery rebuild going on that one, because the battery and BMS are non-repairable basically, because you can't get the components anymore from the supplier if either goes wrong. So I should be building another battery like this. For that bike as well. What I'll do is get my nail underneath and give it a tug. Right, 4. Yeah, the one in the middle. I'm not going to make you watch me doing this all the way through. I'll just do this bit of video for this section, and then I'll wait until I've got the all the cells done, and I'll bring you back and show you the next stage, which is connecting each of these packs together. All the cells retabbed. All I've got to do now is join them together. Okay. How am I going to do that? Well, let's move the welder over here a minute, give you a bit more overview. Okay. Right, what I'm going to be doing is getting a piece of nickel strip, pushing it under and lined up with the centre of the 2 cells. Okay, here we go. One probe bar. That slipped. It's got one connection anyway. and it's there nice and firm. Excuse me. Now measure down half an inch, 5mm, something like that, and cut it off. And what I'll do now is get another pack, and I need group 1. Is that right? Group 1, group 2, yeah, group 1. So I'll do the same to them. Now all the connections are on the outside of the groups. There's no need for crossover. There you go. Make sure that's not higgledy-piggledy. Oh. Or as Mr. Repute. That's better. And another one, about half an inch. Big enough for anything. Right now, I've done two positives together, but it doesn't matter because you'll get the idea. Right. They will join like that, and the tabs will be welded together like that. I don't know if you can see that, to be honest. Right, where's the... oh yeah. So you can see the tab. And that's what I'm going to do all the way around. All the tabs will be on the outside.